Happy holidays from Fancy Sprinkles. Nick, can I take these heels off yet?
No.
The actual purpose of this video is to reveal that I'm the new bachelorette. For our holiday drop, we wanted to take you literally behind the scenes of our seasonal collection. Today, we're at the Fancy Sprinkles warehouse, where all of our sprinkles are produced for you. Where's my gay Santa? From the cotton candy fields of Sugar Plum Fairy to ice skating at Rockefeller Center in New York City, we've got something on everyone's wish list. Meet Rockefeller, a mix of classic reds and greens combined with silver and gold. Look at those Christmas trees. This one was inspired by my love of New York City at Christmas time. Is there anything more romantic than the idea of ice skating with your lover at Rockefeller Center?
Yeah, you get it?
There's a rose petal in my titty. Speaking of reds and greens, this blend, Tartan Dreams, combines the classic holiday color scheme with black. Plaid is never out of style, just ask Ralph Lauren. After all, this blend was inspired by his vintage holiday lookbooks. Chandler, do you want to sit on Santa's lap? Darling. Next up, Mistletoe Makeout, which I should mention is very sexy. Red and green sugar crystals combined with gold dragées and edible glitter stars. These sprinkles will literally look good on anything. Chandler,
No.
Quiet on the set.
I can't. What?
Quiet on the set. Get off of your phone.
You're drunk. She's drunk again. Yeah.
If the pastel holiday aesthetic is yours, we've got something very special for you this season. Meet our gorgeous line of pastel holiday sprinkles. Who makes the best sprinkles in the world? Let's practice.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Sugar Plum Fairy is a whimsical blend of sugars, pearls, and metallic dragées. She's just gorgeous. Rim a champagne glass with her or decorate cookies. So precious. If you're missing the days of shoulder-to-shoulder holiday shopping at a department store, Coco Holiday can fill that void for you. Just look at her. Traditional green, pink, white, and black. She reminds me of a designer handbag.
Narrow it down.
There's sprinkles in my butt. If you love everything peppermint, you've got to try pink peppermint. Pastel pink sugar mixed with reds and silver dragées. This peppermint flavored candy cane blend is as close to perfect as it gets. I'm on my A game today. Allow me to introduce you to our first ever Prism Powder sprinkle blend, Vintage Tinsel. It's pastel pink, white, and it has metallic dragées in it. Most importantly, it's flocked in silver Prism Powder. It's completely glittery, completely beautiful, and you're gonna love it. Okay, so shop our entire collection at fancysprinkles.com. Our holiday collection is live, and we're so excited, and Chandler. Who invited her?
Honestly, nobody. I saw it on the Google calendar. I just decided I should come because nobody wanted to hang out with me today. Hi.